Welcome to Volcanoes National Park. We're cruising in to see a family called Kwisanga. It's a new family, was only formed in 2021, a breakaway from Kwitondo. And the weather is pretty Rwandan at the moment. It's overcast but beautiful. And when we're going into these things, we're always looking to be as prepared as possible. So we're already bringing porters along with us. There's some porters over there. And we make sure that we have good hiking boots. Lodges provide gaiters for us and gloves and a backpack if you don't have your own. Cameras are important, but long pants and a long sleeve shirt are vitally important for the movement through this forest and ensuring that you're well protected, because there are things like stinging nettles out here which can cause a little bit of irritation, not too much. Walking varies. We do a lot of walking outside of the forest before entering the forest, and then try to take the shortest route through the forest to the family. And trackers go in at 7 a.m. and then they come out when the gorillas nest in the evening. And we have a grand total of 1 hour with these amazing creatures. So we're all excited. Let's see what the experience is like.